Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna create a Father's Day gift box. This is perfect to give any gift in a different way instead of grabbing paper. Will be a very unique way to celebrate our dad or our grandpa. Okay, so these are the pieces that we are gonna use, and when you have these pieces, you're gonna notice that one is bigger, so we're gonna start with the smaller one in these pieces. So I'm gonna fold all the sections that have score lines, and this one is gonna go attached like this. But I'm gonna fold this one right now. Sorry. And I'm gonna use this glue to attach it all around the main piece that I have right now. So, and I'm gonna start with the bottom of the shirt, this case, but this is the bottom piece of the box. And then I'm just gonna cut these sections right here to make it easier to fold them. And now I'm gonna attach this piece. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these sections right away. We missed this one right here. And now I'm gonna continue gluing this piece. So once we get to this point, this piece, it needs to be rounded, so I'm just gonna cut this piece, this section like this, to be able to create the rounded part. I'm gonna add the glue right now. then we can see that it's taking shape or form. So now the last piece, I already cut this for the other part that is also rounded, but I'm gonna start with the other section, this one right here, so that way if there is any leftover, it will be easier to deal with instead doing the opposite. So I'm gonna start right here. I'm just gonna use a clip to make sure it stays in place. And now I'm just gonna put it I'm gonna add the glue first. And I'm gonna make it go like this. And the last thing I need to do here for the bags is glue these two sections. And I'm gonna also use a clip here to make sure these two pieces won't move. And I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. But here is the first piece. So this piece is gonna go on top and it's gonna be the lid. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it. So it's right like this. I'm gonna flip it to have it like this. So for this one, the pieces are this, and I'm gonna do the same that I did for the previous piece. So now I have the lid ready, and I'm just gonna remove the clips here so I can cover the box. Now I'm gonna start gluing all these pieces. To finish the top of the gift box. So these little pieces have to be according to the score lines for the sleeves. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but you will be able to see it once you cut your pieces. Oops, I glued this one wrong. I'm so sorry. But I'm gonna fix it right now. Very good, so good. Okay, these pieces go right here also, and you kind of have to play a little bit here because the pieces lose the order once you cut them. So but once you place them here, it's kind of easy to find where they should be because they are aligned to the shirt. Then once you have them in place, you can start gluing it. Now I'm just gonna finish the bow and make sure also that these pieces are aligned before you put them together. Oh, I think I forgot the direction. What I just said. No. This one goes this way actually. Now we're good to go. And now my gift box is ready. We can put some chocolates, socks, or anything that you are planning to give to your father um, for your grandpa. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications every time there is a new video. See you on my next project that I will be making soon. Bye bye.